Hi there, I'm Miles Peterson, and you guys are watching a 3D Engineer. And here I am with another special miniature Siren sound-off video. This will be a special Christmas sound-off. Now, at the time of this video being recorded and released, I'm pretty late. Christmas was a couple days ago. I couldn't do it back then, because my 40V2T, that Siren in the middle there, it was having some problems with the rotors, so I had to reprint new ones on my MSLA resin printer, and they came out great this time, so good on that. I fixed the 40V2T, and here's my dual-horned Harry O'Ritchie Model 50 Super Sirexes, not to be confused with the single-head Model 15 unit. Anyhow, I did a poll on YouTube and had you guys vote on which sirens I should sound, with this being what was voted on, so I hope this pleases y'all. Now let's do a quick overview of each of these sirens, and then we'll get right to testing. Alright, now here I am on the GoPro to get you guys the up-close shots. Here are the 3 sirens I'll be featuring in my Christmas sound-off. With this one here being my newest siren, this is my dual-headed Harry O'Ritchie Model 50 Super Sirexes. This unit features 2 horns. Rotates just like the real thing. This particular unit is 7-10 port dual tone. There's your 7 port, there's your 10 port. Very similar to my single head unit. This is based off the Hamilton, Ohio unit that's still standing. There's your 7, there's your 10. So these two are both 7-10 port, and when wired together, which they are through this barrel jack squid thingy, they achieve perfect 7-10 port harmony, and we'll be hearing that in combination with the 40V2T, which is 10-15 port. So all these together should sound something like a 7-10-15 port siren. We'll be hearing some really cool pitches from all of these in just a minute. Now, I've yet to make a video for this thing. I am really excited about this thing. I have a video of my 40V2T on my channel, and a video of the Super Sirexes here. The single head model. So if you're interested, videos for both these sirens are on my channel. All these are wired together. All I gotta do is just press that switch there, and all of them should go off. And now I'll quit yapping, and we'll finally get to testing. Alright, let's sound these suckers off. Everything is wired together. All I gotta do is press this switch, and we will be sounding off. And with that said, Merry Christmas! Oh, that wind down. That was probably one of the coolest harmonies I've ever heard before. Wow. And wow, there you guys have it. That was an awesome harmony with both my 7-10 port Super Sirexes and my 40V2T. That's pretty much all. I'm Miles Peterson, and you guys stay creative.